Hello my friends, I'm going to teach you how to draw a cute puppy. Let's get started. First, I'm going to draw a circle shape right here, just like this. And below that right here, I'm going to draw a diagonal line right here. And I'm gonna draw an oval around this line with little space, just like this. And I'm gonna start the ear from right here. I'm gonna draw a curved line and just cross this part and go like that and make one curve here and another curve from here and connect them together like this. And then I'm gonna draw like a half a circle, one curve here like that. This is his mouth. Now another curve right here and stop right there, and then I'm gonna draw the neck and its color is gonna be right here, a curve here and another little curve in the side, in each side, and then this big curve down there. And we have this oval here making his body right here and his tail right here. And then I'm gonna make like a wavy shape here, just like this, and then continue this part and make his foot just like this. And then I'm gonna draw his knee, one curve here, and then I'm gonna draw his toes just like this. His tummy is gonna be right here, and then his arm, one line like this, and a little curve here, and continue, and another line here, and make his other toes just like this. Now I'm gonna draw his chest right here and another arm here and other toes here, and then his back toes right here. Now I'm gonna draw his nose right here, a little oval here, and make him smile, and then draw his eye just like this, make it like an almost circle shape, and then his pupil right here, and then just make two little reflection here, and I'm gonna put some cute hair here and another reflection on his nose. Now outlining with black Sharpie marker just like this, his ear and hair and the face and his nose and the mouth and cute smile here, and then his collar, his chest, and then arms and toes, his back and legs, toes, the knee, his tummy and back, toes, and the eye, and color inside the pupil, and just leave that reflection white, just like this, and the nose, same thing. Just like this. And then outline the tail. Okay, it's time to erase the pencil lines, which we don't need them anymore, and clean it up. And that's it. Hi, I'm a cute puppy. I'm a cute puppy. Okay, my friends, I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.